I wanna be is true. And all I wanna be is true.
I feel like I wrote this from a personal place or something.
And all
I don't
I
know.
wanna be is true.
Let's make it count though, for real. Yeah.
And all I wanna be
Swear
is
my
true.
dreams are taking long. I was pissed but never stalled. Made trip, I never fall. Stay true to who you are. Can't win without a wall. God came and healed these scars. Late nights with all my dogs. I can see it from afar. See, it's days like these, I think that pain made me strong. Had purpose all along, whether right or whether wrong. When my doggy stuck inside a jam, I'm the one they call. Felt good to talk to sauce. Before you walk, gotta crawl. Told him question God long enough, that man bound to respond. Did the same thing with Paul. Better answer when he called. We ain't seeing eye to eye, still paid a visit to his mom.
I still care regardless
I
of
still
whatever
paid
it
a
is.
visit. Look, almost gave up on my dreams cause I felt I wouldn't pop. And that burden weighed a lot. Lost a lot but gained a lot. Thank God I stayed true. A big stage.
What's up, y'all? So it's GlovRR. We back with another video. I'm actually about to go meet some of my boys now. We're gonna go for a ride, but before I do that, I wanted to show you guys, give you guys an installation video on the quad lock. I really like this, you know, mounting my phone, using my GPS and all that. So just want to show you, it's pretty easy real quick. So here's what we got. Got stickers in there too, but so need something like this so you could pop this piece off. Alright, and this is the fork stem mount. They have other types of mounts as well. Like I used to have the bar mount for my last bike. Here it is, where you put it on the handlebars. But obviously it can't fit on this bike, so we're going with the fork stem mount. So here's what we got. Okay, so basically the process is that when you put these in, it expands. So we're gonna change it because mine's look pretty big. My fork stem looks pretty big. So we're just gonna change it, the size of these. Perfect. So all we did was change the size of the insert right here. Alright, so the next step is gonna be to take this middle piece off right here. I think you gotta take the bolt out first. So yeah, this should take like 5-10 minutes. Then take this off. No, we dropped it. Oh well. And you see this screw down in there? We're gonna insert the fork, or we're gonna insert the mount into the fork stem, and then we're gonna tighten that screw. And it's supposed to expand these things. So it's getting tighter, as you guys can see. Now you got your mount in. All right, y'all, so after we get the mount inserted into the fork stem, you're gonna want to adjust this to the position that you want the phone to be in before you tighten it. So I did mine, you know, kind of on an angle this way because I want my phone to sit right up here. So once you finish that, you just put this middle piece back in, just like that. Take the rest of your mount, screw it in, and like I said, you want to adjust it to the position that you want it to be in before you tighten it. So I want mine to sit right about here. I'm gonna just tighten it. This piece, I'm gonna put this piece on first. So just line that screw up in the middle here. Tighten it up. And then tighten this piece back here. All right, man, so that's it. Let's see what the phone looks like. Just take this piece, screw it in, and like I said, guys, I had one of these for my previous bike, so I've been using quad locks for about 2 years now, and they're very good, man. They're very good. They, you know, your phone doesn't move, nothing. So looks good. Give me a like, give me a subscribe, give me a thumbs up on this video if you liked it, and stay tuned. I'm going to be doing a lot more videos coming up, so peace out.